Hi guys, good morning. This is Natarajan. First, let me convey my thanks to all our viewers and supporters to run our channel successfully. Actually, what we are going to say in this video is what is trend line, how does it work at, and how to draw a trend line. These are the things we are going to say in this video. Actually, this is continuation of our previous video. Previous video was what is support and resistance, what is supply zone and demand zone. So still if you not yet watch our old video, previous video, just watch that video so that you will have more idea about what is support and resistance, because this video is continuation of our previous video. So in this video we are going to watch about trend line. So before watching this video, actually we have a presentation that we are going to see now. Still if you not yet subscribe our channel, below there is a subscribe button, just hit the button and bell button. Now we are going to presentation.
Now we are going to see the trend of the market. First one is uptrend market. So the uptrend market will be, as you all know, that this will be the uptrend market graph. This is called uptrend market. Okay, and now we are going to see the downtrend market. Normally this is called downtrend market, and third one is sideways market. Okay, this is called, the market will be, movement will be in the sideways. This is called sideways market. The next one is what is trend line. A trend line is a straight line that connects two or more price points and then extends into future to act as a line of support or resistance. So a trend line is a straight line that connects two or more price points. So to draw a trend line, we need 2 points in the support or resistance. If it is more than 2 points, well and good. If it is 3 points or 4 points available in the chart, it is well and good. But to draw a trend line, minimum we need 2 points. Okay. So what are the things to require to draw a trend line? Only 2 points are required to draw a trend line. Support or resistance. Even if you take, so I will show you. Okay, if this is a market, we need only 2 points to draw a trend line. Okay, so this is called trend line in the resistance. Like that, if you want to draw a trend line in the support point, this is here, this is a support point. Okay, I'll show you in another way. Okay, here you see this is called resistance. As we have seen in our earlier video, this is called a resistance. Okay, to draw a trend line, we need to connect these two resistance. Okay, this is called trend line. Likewise, here there are two supports. To draw a trend line, we need 2 points in the support. Here you see, this is called trend line. Okay, so only 2 points are required to draw a trend line. It may be in support or resistance. The next one is, if there is a third point, it is more comfortable to confirm the trend line. So if you have if there is a 3 points, see for example, the market is going like this. So how many points are available? There are 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. Here also support 1, 2 and 3. So it is easy to draw a line with the confirmation. Okay. Like that, here also. This is support, area. Okay, so only 2 points are enough. If there is a third point or fourth point, it is well and good. We can confirm it very well. This is what we have mentioned here. If there is a third point, it is more comfortable to confirm the trend line. And the last one is how to identify the 2 points in the chart. Here what we have mentioned is wherever you see the V or W or U shape in the chart, it is called support point. I will show you. Wherever you see the V or W or U shape in the chart, it is called support point. So the chart is going like this. Okay, so here we have seen V. This is called 1V. I'll show you. Here is this is V. Here also there is a V. So these all are called V shape. These all are support. These all are called support 1, 2 and 3. Okay, like that. The next one is wherever you see the inverted V or W or U shape in the chart, it is called resistance. So inverted V, this is called inverted V. Okay, these all are resistance line. These all are support line. Wherever we see V shape in the chart, those areas are called support. This is support. Wherever we see inverted V, these all are inverted V. Those areas are called resistance. These all are called resistance. R1. This is resistance 2. Okay. These all are resistance. These all are support. Wherever you see the V or W or U shape in the chart, it is called support point. Wherever you see the inverted V or W or U shape in the chart, it is called resistance point. Okay. Next, let us move to chart. So now we are going to see the few charts in practical. We are going to draw a trend line. First one we have taken is Tata Steel. Okay, Tata Steel, I have taken a historical chart with 1 day candlestick. Okay, so now we are going to draw a trend line. Okay, this is the one we are going to choose and trend line. Here you see I am going to connect two resistance. This is the trend line I have drawn now. Here you see I have taken two resistance. These are the two resistance I have taken. Okay, this is one and this is the another one. So two resistance I have taken. This is a trend line I have drawn. So now here you can see this is a place where the market has broken the trend line. So you can enter here for long. You can buy the stock here. Here the price was 810 rupees and from here it went up to 1242 rupees. Okay, so from 800 to 1200, almost it is 600 rupees. The uptrend, it has moved in the upside. The stock has moved in the upside. So this is a way of drawing a trend line. Like that. Here also you can draw a trend line. I will show you. Here there is another opportunity. Here you see. So we have to extend the trend line out of graph. Okay, here I have taken two resistance. Here there is a breakout of trend line. From here it went up to 1500. Here the price was 1150. From 1150 to 1500, the market has gone, the counter has gone to 1500. Okay, so this is the type of drawing a trend line. And next one, what we are going to see is, 1 minute. Okay, and next one, Tata Steel. This is the TCS, Tata Consultant Services. Here also I have taken the historic chart with 1 day candlestick. Okay, this is a 1 day candlestick historic chart. And here you can see trend line I am going to draw now. Here you see. This is the trend line I have prepared now. Here there is a breakout. Here the market has broken. Here the price was 3,400. From 3,400 to, it went up to 3,900. Almost 600 point. The market has crashed. The counter has crashed now. So this is a type of drawing a trend line. Okay, and next one what I am going to do, this is the one second. And third one is Nifty. Okay, so this is a Nifty historical chart. Here also I have kept 1 day candlestick. Here you can see I am going to draw a trend line. Here choose a trend line, and we need to draw a trend line only to resistance line. If it is more than two resistance point, there is no problem. Here you see there are 2 points resistance point. I have drawn a trend line. Okay, here there is a breakout of trend line. Nifty, it was 14,950 here. Here the price was 14,950. From here it went up to 15,800. Okay, this is one. And second one is here. This is the second trend line. Here there is a breakout. Okay, so to draw a trend line only we need 2 points of resistance in the upside market. Okay, and the last one is Bank Nifty. This is a chart of Bank Nifty. Okay, here also I am going to keep historical chart and 1 day candlestick. Okay, here you see this is the historic chart of Bank Nifty and 1 day candlestick. Here there is a clear downside of the market. Now I am going to draw a trend line. Here you see there is a breakout here. Okay, there is a breakout here, and from the breakout occurred around 33,500. From 33,500 to Bank Nifty went up to 35,700, almost 2,000 points. Okay, here it was 33,500. Here the point is 35,500. Almost 2,000 point. The market has moved from here to here. It is upward movement. Okay. So here also you can see. Okay, this is a way of drawing a trend line. So there is a breakout of trend line here. From here the market has gone up. Okay, and in the Bank Nifty itself I am going to keep intraday, which means 5 minutes chart. Okay, 5 minutes candlestick. Trend line we can draw in 5 minutes or 1 hour or even 1 day also. There is no issue on that. Sorry, one second. This is a chart of 5 minutes, Bank Nifty 5 minutes chart actually. Here I am to show you. Here you see, this is the chart of 14th September. 14th September, and I am going to draw a trend line here. Here you see, I have taken two resistance line, and there is a clear breakout here, and the price was 36,700. From there is a breakout occurred here from 36,700. The market went till almost 38,000. Okay, so 36,700 to 38,000, almost 1,300 points. Okay, so market has crossed 1,300 points from here to here. Okay, this is the intraday breakout. I have kept a 5 minutes candles here.
Hope you enjoyed this video and understand the concept of trend line. Still, if you are not a subscriber channel, below there is a subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.